Okay, I'm Julia Child. No, I'm not, but I'm beginning to feel like it. This is fun. This is my first video, and we're doing something very simple, but very healthy, very good for you. We got our whey protein here. This is really good stuff, and it's important. I mean, you got to have it for your bones and your muscles. It's important for your body to have whey protein. This is all vegetable, no meat proteins in there, and it's what I recommend. It's good stuff. It's the On Optimum Nutrition whey protein. Delicious. Vanilla, and it comes in chocolate too, and the chocolate is great in the blender, in the smoothies. You're going to love it. Got your honey here. Got your mango chunks. Oh yeah. We got an assortment of fruit here. We're doing all the frozen fruit because the fruit in the grocery store, I don't feel like washing it with then disinfectant. There's just something not right about that. So we're gonna do the frozen fruit, and it comes out great. It comes out great. This has got strawberries, mangoes, bananas, you name it. It's got it in there. We got coconut milk beverage, vanilla flavor, and consistent with our protein. We've got Greek yogurt here. It's whole milk yogurt. It's got the fat in it. I like fat. I'm a gluten guy. I don't mind gluten. I love gluten. Blueberries. You don't need a lot of blueberries because the color is so powerful that you put too many blueberries in there and it just turns solid blue. And I like it. It's got a little other lighter color to it. And we've got ice to finish off, and fresh ginger that I just chopped here. I do it with this. I mean, some people, I guess, they try to do it with a carrot peeler, but how do you peel that with a carrot peeler? Come on. So I just cut up a chunk like that, cut it into very small, thin discs. Then I cut it lengthwise and cut it crosswise, and I come up with a lovely dice like that, huh? Nice, yes? All right, so what you do is you just take the lid off. It's got a release thing right there, pops right off. You can turn it on at this stage. I like putting the yogurt in first because once it starts spinning, it draws everything down into the bottom. You got to get it into the bottom and then come up again so it's pureed and beautiful and lovely and nice. Put a whole thing of the yogurt in there. Don't be bashful. Don't be shy. Yeah, don't want to miss anything here. I do feel like Julia Child. But Julia Child, she didn't have to worry about the camera, She had very wonderful people taking care of her who were behind the camera. Oh, am I out of the frame? No, here I am again. She had wonderful people doing that. What a great lady she was, huh? If you haven't seen that movie, Julia and Julia, you really got to see it. It's a super, super film. Okay, we'll put that down there. Now, we're going to add a little coconut milk in there. This is good because it's going to... that's open. I'm not going to use that one. Stand by. I'll be right back. Mise en place. I did not have my mise en place, chef. Mise en place means everything in its place. I had the right stuff. This has all been used, so we're not going to use that. We don't need it. Coconut milk is great to put in there. It'll adjust the consistency, because sometimes when you're done, it won't even pour out. You got to pour it into a glass, and that helps with consistency, but we'll work around that. Okay, so we can put in a couple of scoops, 3 scoops, 1, 2, 3. Let's go for it. Let's do 4. I mean, 1 scoop is good for 1 person, but we're going to get about 4 healthy helpings out of this. So 1 scoop per helping should be delicious. Now we're simply going to put in our mango chunks. There they go, and that's the end of that one. We like a lot of these around here. We love these. Honey, don't be bashful, don't be shy. Put your honey in there. Oh yeah, you can put maple syrup in there. Whatever tastes good. It's gonna come out tasting like ice cream. It's so delicious, but it's good for you too. Okay, now I said you gotta watch the blueberries, right? See why you watch the blueberries? Just one handful is really enough. And that's why, because the color is so powerful. So we'll just get rid of that real fast. Okay, we got just about everything in there. We're gonna add this ginger. Don't forget the ginger. Right? Ginger's really, really good for you. Fresh ginger. Yummy. Okay, we're gonna add ice. We're gonna add some more fruit in on top of that, to the top. And let's see what happens. Put that baby on there. Get her down on there. Now, this one has a beautiful puree deal here. It's got smoothie. It's got frozen drink, low, medium, high, and pulse. You pulse it. And then we're just going to go straight to puree. Now it's on smoothie. It does it all by itself. Sometimes it needs some help. You gotta get a spoon and jam it down in there. But it'll get done, guaranteed. See? The other day I took, I think I told you I had coffee beans. I bought the beans, not the grind. So I came back here and I got beans, sweetie. He said, it's okay, don't worry. Put it in the blender. And it worked like a charm. We're gonna do a series of recipes from a friend of mine, Bert Green. He made absolutely wonderful food. Gonna make our own mayonnaise. Gonna do some beef stock. We can make some beautiful sauces with that. A lot of healthy salads. You're gonna love that. Let's see what have we got here. We're gonna put some milk in there. We're gonna put some milk in. That'll help it get puree. Don't forget to put this on. Hear the ice. Once the ice gets down in there, you know everything's getting down to the bottom. Looking good. I'm getting the feeling. Best time is in the morning. We've got a friend who makes these every single morning. And he always puts bananas in it, like 4 or 5 bananas. The bananas are so good. And they puree up so nice, you know. All right, we're just going to take this off one more time. Oh, I think it's good, actually. Gonna step it up a little bit here. Gonna make nice hollandaise. We'll make all the sauces. I'm not a big fan of bechamel, you know, cream, a lot of cream. I'm not a big fan of that. But we can make a lovely, with the beef stock, Espanol, we can make a lovely beef stock with a lot of sauces for that are wonderful. Hollandaise, I love the hollandaise. We'll make a nice tomato sauce. They call it gravy in Philadelphia. We're going to make that. Just a lot of beautiful, healthy things. All right. I think we're ready. Linda, you got to come in and
Sure.
try this. It's got a spout on there. All right. It's thick. Come on, baby. Come on. It's really thick. It's too thick. Oh yeah. We're gonna put it back on there for just a second. Puree it just a little bit more. Okay. Now we'll just encourage it a little bit. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yeah.
That looks so good.
Oh, yeah. There you go, baby. Try that. Okay. We hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Have a smoothie. Bye-bye.
Bye. Yummy.
Don't forget to go down and like the video. Please a thumbs up and subscribe. We're going to have a lot of great recipes coming up. Bye-bye.
Bye.
That's it.